Welcome to the campus of ESF. It's a beautiful campus. My name is Catherine Genao, and I go by she, her. My major is chemical engineering, and I'm an upcoming sophomore. What I love about ESF is the people and the environment and the community, and how we just love the environment. My favorite part of being an ESF student is getting to meet new people from different backgrounds and different areas, and as well as being in a school that is mainly focused and caring about the environment and having similar paths. For me, I feel like it's good to be in a community that has a passion of caring for others. And also, my first year of college was amazing. When I came to ESF, I joined some clubs, and the clubs that I joined was BSU, which is Black Student Union, LASA, which is Latinx, and MOSA, which is Mighty Oats Student Assembly. Mainly my job is to help clubs and help students as well when it comes to ideas, when it comes to making the school more inclusive for everyone, and as well as being a support system for everyone in the school. That's how I see it. So I'm your number one supporter. Good luck. I'm excited to see you guys, and